So these are part of the rail that have the red rollers in. I've cut off the bottom bit. So it's basically this top bit here, flipped upside down. The rollers will always be within the guide. So that's just ground down with a hand grinder. File in off the sharp edges. And then a bit of Sigflex holding it in, absolutely solid. So I'm glad I went with that. I was and ahhing about it last time, so I've just changed that out rather than the wooden planks. So I've got a guardrail running the full length on both sides. So that is brilliant. I'm now going to go and get some sticky foam. I think it's for body parts, as in like if you're sticking a bumper on or trim, it is like the sticky stuff that goes underneath it. So I'm going to put that in there, and that should eliminate a bit of roller noise on it now. Run down both sides. Looks good. So this is the bit behind the sofa, that will be behind the sofa. Made that out of, it was an old bench. I found this wood here. That's just a bit of, what is it, 2x1, something like that. Bought that, a couple of quid. 2 actuators fitted, loosely wired, and then they are connected onto plank here. Just tidied it up a bit, needs a good old sand down to finish it off. That was a 6-foot table, like an army style wooden table, metal legs. So I've got that on one side, the other side exactly the same. So this is going into, I've decided to get an IKEA pre-built bit of a shelf in there. So that's fitted to that.
bottom just sits nicely into the ground there. I've miscalculated by whatever that is. I think it's 30mm. So I've just quickly knocked up a bit of support there to make up the difference. I don't know if I've secured this in yet. Yeah, I have. Okay, so there's just like a little lug on the bottom, so I've just cut a little hole in. So that sits in there. That means the weight will be distributed around the whole base as opposed to onto the little bit at the bottom. So cool, that is fitted there. And then same on the other side, with its little raising platform. And there you go onto there. My wiring for now is, it's just a rocker switch, an up and a down, no power connected. Just quickly put a few spade connectors onto some wiring that was left over from, well, I just ripped out the roof, I think this was lighting maybe. So that will be all connected to the actuators. All I've done at the moment is just balance. I've put a duvet on, just balanced on a little thin mattress. So in reality, when I put the slats in and the mattress will be up here somewhere, and obviously the duvet over the top. So that's just to give a overall view of what it looked like. And then I will be fitting, so that's it, fully back. This will be closed off into cupboards above the bed. So you won't see any of this. You pull the bed out, which door will open, and then job's a good one.
So as you can see, it's a bit rough and ready, not completely put in yet. The reason for that is all of this is going to be coming back out, so I can fit all the electrical stuff hidden in the panels. Probably a bit of body work as well, as in decide on what painting or surface finish. So I want that going behind all of this. So I'm ripping it all out now. You probably noticed on the bed itself, it didn't look too good. It hasn't got a mattress on there. It was just me putting a duvet over just to sort of show the final product. It's all good, all works brilliantly. So the next stage is to rip it all out, paint stuff, varnish stuff, fit it again, and that is it, done. So the bed is effectively finished now. It's just the good securing and that kind of thing. I will be in the next video moving on to the kitchen. So I'm going to move down the far side, start putting the kitchen top in. I've already got the wood that I'm using for that. I've got a Belfast sink. So I'll start adding all that stuff. Need to get a shower tray so I can work on the dimensions around that, which will have a composting toilet in it. So decent progress. It's a bit rough around the edges, but that's expected until I start putting it all together. One of the big things is I've completed 90%, but because it all needs to come back out, I'm at a good place. I can move it all out, tinker, tidy all my wiring up, because as you can see I'm just running off the jumper pack and my wiring's not properly done yet. So that was another thing that annoyed me. I spent ages looking for the right switch that I needed to rock a switch, but with latch motion, therefore you click up and it'll take it to its limits. This one isn't a latch one, so the centre on there basically, that means you have to keep your finger on the button, a bit annoying. So I'll get a proper one of them. It'll all be fit into the bed frame itself, just a quick click underneath maybe, up it goes, that kind of thing. So yeah, all in all, over the moon, and until next time, please subscribe up there, click on the notifications so you can see what I'm getting up to, and apart from that, take care, see you in a bit.